Hello friends, today's topic investigation by US agencies on Adani Group. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. Every now and then some news or reports come out about Adani Group which seems to be negative. Many times the prices of Adani Group stocks fall and then they recover after some days. As per reports, an investigation is going on by the US Attorney's Office of New York to find out whether an Adani company or people linked to the company, including Gautam Adani, were involved in paying officials in India for favorable treatment on an energy project. The investigation also extends to Indian renewable energy company Azure Power Global Limited, which operates in the US also. Azure has been dealing with complaints of illicit payments and was delisted from the New York Stock Exchange late last year over delayed filings of financials. The Foreign Corrupt Practices Act (FCPA) allowed US authorities to pursue foreign corruption allegations if certain links to American investors or markets exist. Adani Group shares does not trade in the US but has American investors. As you know, Adani Group was negatively impacted by the Hindenburg report which claimed stock price manipulation and accounting fraud. The stock prices crashed massively for some months, later recovered and rallied. Adani Group denied the allegations made in the Hindenburg report. The SEBI report presented to the Supreme Court also did not find any wrongdoing in terms of price manipulation. The current Adani investigation is now at an advanced stage according to the people involved in the investigation. However, this investigation has not supported US government financial institutions from working with Adani Group entities. Last year, the US International Development Finance Corporation said it would provide around rupees 4,600 crores in financing to an Adani unit for a port terminal in Sri Lanka. It was the US government agency's largest infrastructure investment in Asia. A senior US official has said that before authorizing the loan, the government agency found Hindenburg reports allegations were not applicable to the Adani subsidiary which was executing the Sri Lankan project. Adani Group has issued a statement stating that they are not aware of any investigation against its chairman Gautam Adani. Adani Group has also stated that it follows all the rules of the country they operate in, including anti-corruption and anti-bribery laws in India and other countries. As of now, it is not clear how serious this investigation. However, sentiment-wise, it could have slightly negative impact on the shares in the coming days. We will need to wait and see how Adani Group shares react on Monday. Adani Group shareholders usually have a roller coaster ride since they see both huge crashes as well as fantastic rallies regularly. So it is not a new thing for them. Here is an announcement. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಉತ್ತರ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಭರತ್ ಚಂದ್ರ ಅವರಿಂದ for all channel members tomorrow 18 March Monday at 9 p.m. live question answer session on YouTube on Dr. Bharath Chandra Institute Kannada channel. Now continuing the matter of the video, the current investigation by US authorities also has lot of geopolitical implications. The Adani Group is one of the largest business groups in India and contributes significantly due to the Indian economy. US consider India an ally since it wants to oppose China. Also, both Gautam Adani and Narendra Modi are from Gujarat and have known each other for years. So taking any stringent action against Adani Group would result in creating some tension in US-India relationship. Let's wait and see when there are updates on this issue. We will share them in our breaking news video. At the end of the video, here is a question. Based on this news, are you expecting some weakness in Adani Group shares on Monday? Yes or no, you may type. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe, press the bell icon, send the video to all your friends. The video is good, press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.